How to draw a pictograph in 147 seconds. Let's go. Questions like this involving pictographs, guys, are super common in our foundation papers. Let's have a look at this one. The question says, draw a pictograph to show the following set of data. We're given a table of data up at the top. We're given a key which tells us that one circle represents 2 students and a half a circle represents 1 student. And then we're given a table down here to draw our circles in, making sure that we represent the data at the top. What are we going to do? The best way to approach these pictographs questions, guys, is going to be to start drawing our pictures in the table and then to count as we go along, stopping when we get to the desired number of things. Let me show you what I mean. So first off, drawing our red, we know that we need 8 students to be represented in our red row. So we're going to start off by drawing one circle. That circle is going to represent 2 students. So we're going to draw another circle carrying on because we've not gotten to 8 yet. So we draw another circle. That's going to take us from 2 to 4. Drawing another circle, we're going to go from 4 to 6, and then we need one more circle. That is going to take us from 6 to 8, and now we can stop because we've represented our 8 students. Now, what about our blue? Well, we need to represent 5. Let's draw a full circle. That's going to be 2. Now we can draw another full circle. That's going to take us to 4. Now we can recognize that if we draw another full circle, that's going to add 2 more and take us to 6, which is actually going to be bigger than we need to go. Instead, we're going to need to draw another not another half circle, but we're going to need to draw a half circle. That's going to add 1 student and take us up to our desired total of 5. We're going to go from 4 to 5. So drawing in a semicircle here. Let's do that now. That's not the best semicircle in the world, but luckily you can hear me, so it's clear what I mean now. What about this final one, which is drawing 11 in our green row? What are we going to have? Let's start off by drawing one circle. That's going to represent 2. We can carry on. Drawing another circle, we're going to have 4. Drawing another circle, we're going to have 6. Drawing another circle, we're going to have 8. Drawing another circle, we're going to have 10. Now we can stop and take a step back. If we draw another full circle, that's going to take us to 12, which is too far. So instead, we're just going to draw a half circle. That is going to add on 1 to take us to 13, not 13, sorry. That's going to take us to 11 in total, I should say. So we've now drawn in that semicircle again. It's not the best semicircle on here, but you can hear me, so you know what I mean. Guys, that's going to be the best way. Draw those circles in, draw those shapes in, whatever the shape is, and count up. And then when you get close to your desired quantity, slow down a bit, take a step back and see whether you're going to need to draw a full shape in or a half shape or a quarter shape or whatever it might be to get the desired quantity.